Hello everyone, I'm Pragathi, a first year student pursuing a course in artificial intelligence and data science at Nitya Meenakshi Institute of Technology. Today I'll be presenting on very relevant and impactful topic, green building and sustainable materials. Let's begin by understanding why this topic matters. So, as environmental awareness rises globally, the construction industry is transforming. One of the most impactful trends is a green building. A method of designing, constructing, and maintaining buildings is an eco friendly way. These buildings aim to reduce environmental impact and improve human health throughout their life from the planning phase to demolition. A key part of a green building is the use of sustainable materials. These are eco-friendly materials that minimizes pollution and reduces our carbon footprint. Common examples include bamboo, recycled steel, reclaimed wood, low volatile organic compound paints, and recycled insulation. By using these materials, we conserve resources, low energy costs, and promote healthier living environment. So, a critical component of a green building is the use of sustainable materials. These are materials that are sourced, manufactured, and used in a ways that minimizes their ecological footprint. Sustainable materials typically features attributes such as renewability, recyclability, low embodied energy, and minimal emissions of harmful substances. So, what is sustainable materials? Sorry, what is green building? A green building is also known as sustainable building, focuses on reducing negative impact on the environment while improving the health and well-being of occupants. So it includes energy efficiency, so conservation of resources and reduced waste and pollution control. This approach benefits both the environment and building users by making spaces healthier and more efficient to live and work in. So examples of green building in India, it has embraced green building with several successful projects. Let me highlight a few. So, CII, so Harabji Godrej Green Business Center, Hyderabad. So, which is rating by LEED platinum rated, and which is basically solar panels, efficient HVAC systems, and natural light uses. And the second thing is Infosys campus, which is in Mysore. Here, multiple LEED and IGBC platinum certifications, and it uses of passive design, solar power, and water recycling. And the third one is Indira Paryavaran Bhavan, which is in New Delhi. So, which is built by Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, which is Griha 5 star and LEED platinum rated. So, which is basically it is net zero energy, rainwater harvesting, and solar power systems. And the fourth one is Suzlon One Earth, which is in Pune. Here we can see 92% of a daylight uses like solar and wind energy integrations here takes place, and which is basically the natural cooling and landscaping. And the fifth one is mm, okay. Okay, the fifth one is ITC Grand Chola Hotel Chennai, which is LEED Platinum certified traditional sustainable design. So here, which is basically energy efficient lighting and appliances, sewage treatment and grey water reuses, and sustainable architecture with traditional design elements. And the sixth one is IIM Ahmedabad, which is new dormitories, so which is rated by Griha 5 star. And here we can see the fly ash bricks and rainwater harvesting takes place, so which is basically the climate responsive design. And these buildings serves as a role models for sustainable construction in India. So um, Key principles of green building. Green buildings are based on seven key principles. First one is energy efficiency. Here we can see we can but here we can using LED lighting, solar panels, and smart HVAC systems. So, which is basically which is mainly reduce energy consumption and dependency on non-renewable resources. And the second one is water efficiency. Here, low flow fixtures and rainwater harvesting and grey water recycling, which is basically to minimize water usage and wastes. And the third one is sustainable site development. So here mainly choosing location that protect ecosystems and using green roofs. So which is basically minimize environmental impact on the building sites. And the fifth one is indoor environmental quality. So here it's like non-toxic materials with good ventilation and natural lighting. So which is it is to be enhance the health, comfort, and well-being of building occupants. So and the sixth one is waste reduction. Waste reduction is like a recycling during construction and operation, which is mainly to reduce the construction and operational wastes. So the seventh one is efficient operation and maintenance. Here the smart building systems and regular maintenance for sustainability, to reduce construction to ensure the building performance efficiently over its lifespan. So let's go to next slide. Okay, what is sustainable building materials? The sustainable building materials are like a foundation for green buildings. So, sustainable materials are at the heart of a green buildings. These materials have a minimal environmental impact through every phase, like extraction, production, usage, and disposal. Let's see several characteristics of sustainable building materials. So the first one is renewable. We'll take the examples like bamboo. Here the bamboos or materials that regenerate quickly are plentiful in nature. And the second one is low embodied energy that requires less energy to produce. And here and the third one is recyclable or reusable. Here can be reused or repurposed. And the fourth one is non-toxic, do not release harmful chemicals to environment. um, and do not emit harmful chemicals no volatile organic components and all. So and the fifth one is locally sourced. So locally sourced is like a reduced transportation pollution uh, by using public transport over private vehicles. And uh, and uh, the sixth one is very important, which is durable. So a long lifespan reduces the need for frequent replacement, lasted longer, it lasts longer and reduces wastes. Let's see the examples of sustainable materials. Here are a few sustainable materials commonly used, which is bamboo. So bamboos are like fast growing renewable resources, which are strong, flexible, and biodegradable. And the second one is recycled steel. So recycled steels are like made from scarf material metals that reduces mining and is highly durable. So yeah, other materials include reclaimed wood, low volatile organic compound paints, fly ash bricks, and recycled insulation. These materials are not just eco friendly but also cost effective in a long run. So, in a conclusion, green building and sustainable materials are a vital for a better future. They reduces pollution, conserve resources, and provide healthier environment. By choosing green practices, we can fight climate change and promote sustainable development. As a future engineers and architects, it is our responsibility to understand and apply these principles to build a greener, cleaner, and responsible world. So, thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation helped you to understand the importance of a green building and sustainable materials. Thank you.